Top repeated past papers questions of everyday science. Question number 1. What is the body temperature of a normal man in Celsius? The options are A. 37 Celsius, B. 81.1 Celsius, C. 98.6 Celsius. So the right answer is option A, 37 Celsius. A healthy person on an average has a body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Question number 2. Which vitamin helps in clotting of blood? The options are A. Vitamin B, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin D. So the right answer is option B, vitamin K. Vitamin K is a necessary component of the body's ability to clot blood. Without this function, a simple cut could result in uncontrolled bleeding. Question number 3. What is the average volume of blood in a normal adult human being? The options are A. About 3 to 4 liters, B. About 5 to 6 liters, C. About 8 to 10 liters. So the right answer is option B, 5 to 6 liters. Normal adult humans have around 5 to 6 liters of blood in their bodies. Question number 4. Red blood corpuscles are formed in which part of the body? The options are A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Bone marrow. And the right answer is option C, bone marrow. Most blood corpuscles are made in your bone marrow. This process is called hematopoiesis. Question number 5. How many bones are there in an adult human being? The options are A. 206, B. 210, C. 300. The right answer of this question is option A, 206. The adult human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Question number 6. Tibia bone found in which part of human body? Options are A. Skull, B. Leg, C. Arm. The right answer of this question is option B, which is leg. The tibia and fibula are the two long bones in the lower leg. They connect the knee and ankle, but they are separate bones.
Question number 7. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Options are A. Calcium phosphate, B. Calcium sulfate, C. Calcium carbonate. The right answer of this question is option A, calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is the main component of bones and teeth. Question number 8. What is the main constituent of hemoglobin? The options are A. Calcium, B. Chlorine, C. Iron. So the right answer is option C, iron. Iron is the main constituent of hemoglobin. It helps in carrying oxygen to the cells. Last question. What is the main function of the kidney? The options are A. To remove waste product from the body, B. To help in digestion of food, C. To control body temperature, and the right answer is option A, to remove waste product from the body. The main job of the kidneys is to remove waste from the blood and return the cleaned blood back to the body.